Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for the Scrap Room, playing with Flavors of the Month kit this month, and the Jumpstart sketch. I am doing, playing with the Echo Park, our Happy Place collection. Super soft, fun vibe of just cozy home. It screams very spring colors to me, but you honestly could use it year round. And I am playing with the sketch, like I said. So what I love about the kit this month is our cardstock is textured in a very specific way. It's not just textured. It is a wood grain textured white cardstock. So I plan on doing some inking to my background to kind of bring that out a little bit. Otherwise, my layout ends up being super clean and simple. I only use what comes in the kit. And so I wanted to keep it nice and simple for you guys and make it easy to follow, recreate if you wanted to, but a sketch is a great place to jump off. I obviously do not, well, I'm looking through my photos right now, I do not have the exact amount of photos. I love the layout of the sketch. I don't have those photos in those positions, so I'm going to make the sketch work for me, and I'm going to shift things over a little bit, and I'm just going to have two photos that are a lot taller. Now, what I love about the kit this month, especially this portion, is you're going to get 2 sheets of the sticker book, and so you could get so many different things. I happen to get one that has a lot of banners on it, so I'm just going to use those banners and create a cluster of banners below my photo with the sticker banners. Super simple. I don't have to cut paper or anything. So yeah, this layout is very simple, but I like it. The pictures do not do it justice. For some reason, these ones especially, like, I took them, and when I took them and edited them, I feel like they looked really good, but it's always like as soon as I take them from my my Google phone and then I put them in the video at the end, which is on an iPhone, the colors change. It's very frustrating because then I think I edit them really well and then they don't look well. They don't look good. This one especially, and I feel like whenever I have a large blue piece, it washes out my background and doesn't make it look white, which I don't. I make my background, my cardstock have some color on it, so that is fine, but it makes it look like it's not even white to begin with. It makes it a whole nother hue, so I'm not sure what's going on there. But I really liked this blue pattern that comes in the collection. I'm sorry, I can't remember what it's called, but I want to say it's the Happy Page Floral because I think it's the B side because the other side is the floral. So I cut my piece. Oh, I thought I had written down what size I cut it. I cut my piece and then I had just a tiny bit left over after I trimmed it off of the floral side. So I decided that was going to be the other pattern that was going to hang below, and I'm going to use the pieces and cut them apart and stretch them across. I'm going to back my photos all together in almost like a photo strip style on the green pattern, which is that the other side of the plaid, I feel like. So that's the favorite plaid, but that green really popped, and I like the green in the floral print. So I'm going to use that. You can see I have a gap for that floral. I'm just going to cover it up with the photos. But here's where I decided, okay, I want to bring out some of this wood grain. So I'm just going to take one of my Vicky Bouton brush and just brush on some, I did a really pale pink. Which one did I do? I can't tell on the screen and I don't remember at the moment. I did a pale pink. Might even been a corally pink, and then I will get antique linen and get that out and use that as well, and then I'm going to ink around the entire edge of, maybe you guys saw what color it was. I can't remember. I'm trying to remember what. It's probably spun sugar because that's, I think, the palest pink I have in oxide. Yeah, we really don't have a super pale pink in Distress Oxides. Victorian Velvet tends to lean a little too dusty rose. Oh. I did triple check though. It is spun sugar. So I'm just finishing that. Now I'm going to start gluing my layers down. Get the blue and then piece together the floral strip that's going to go behind the photos. And then put the photos down. It's so easy to move your photos around when you know they're going to be stacked like that, and you can kind of mat them together on one piece. Then they're all one piece and you know they're always going to stay stacked nice together. So then I'm going to read the sticker stash that came with my kit essentially on the 2 sheets from the sticker book. As embellishments, and then you get some random enamel dots as well. So I'm going to use this home sticker for my title, and I'm going to use then Sweet Home, 2 other little stickers. So it's going to say Home Sweet Home, and then another sticker that I found on there that says, it feels so good to be home with you. And these are blurry photos of my son doing yoga with me. And then I just did some journaling about how doing at-home yoga was a big benefit for me instead of having a gym membership and going somewhere else. Being able to do it at home just worked the best for our family and all the benefits that came with that. And then I'm going to just make 2 other little clusters on either side of the photos with some stickers that say some cute things. A little table with a fern or a flower on it, and then this together is my favorite place to be, and then like a little heart, and then the other one's like a yellow, it says something, I don't remember. Today's moments are tomorrow's memories, yeah, and then some enamel dots. So yeah, very simplified, and then stacking up a bunch of those banners at the bottom, just kind of layering them up. Does look a little just stuck down, but it's more of just a simple, clean, no fuss layout. Nothing too crazy going on, which is fine. Sometimes our layouts can be stuffed with goodies and embellishments tucked places, and sometimes they can just be simple and you're getting it done, and it doesn't matter. They're your pages, whatever works, right? So I encourage you to go check out the Facebook group if you haven't already, to see some other inspiration, how people are using the sketches and the Forgive Us formula. There's always a throwback sketch as well. There's extra challenges. You can win a gift card to the ScrapRoom and potentially get Flavors of the Month kit for free in the future. So make sure you go check that out. Also, always check out the store, see what's in store, grab the things that you want. I highly recommend getting everything. But yeah, here's some close-ups. Thank you again, and see you next time. Bye.